Bitcoin is continuing to bleed today. We are still sitting in caution. And if we break the $84,000 level officially, this could send us down to about $65,000. Now, I know that sounds scary, but we have a full explanation for this in today's brand new future forecast video. Massive sell-off coming, why I'm buckling down the roof for the hurricane sell-off we see coming. Guys, this is a full risk management session talking about how we are handling the potential drop and what may be causing it, and why $65,000 is the next target. Aside from that, members get access to our trade setups where we have earned 314 wins and 0 losses. And for our members, we have a Black Friday sale going on. We're talking up to $1,250 off the indicators. More on that later. Let's jump right into it. Today, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. Really quickly, I want to show the actual candles. Right now, the market cycle highs and lows is replacing the price line, and we will take a look at that later. Don't worry. But right now, I would like to talk about the actual candles themselves because they show a little bit of a different story. The current price sits right around $84,000 as structure support. But from the candlesticks here, we can see we actually fell and touched $80,000. This was a really strong wick to the downside, and this is part of what has traders panicking so much. Correct, we haven't quite actually fully broken that level. It's not until we see a candle open and close below $84,000 that we should be really concerned, but there is strong possibilities of that happening through this weekend. Back to the market cycle highs and lows, we see we are trading within caution. This right here means that traders are starting to feel a little anxious. They're starting to feel worried about what's happening in the market, and rightfully so. Look how sharply the price has dropped. However, with talks of the bear market having officially started, while in a bull market, purple is typically where we want to start entering trades. In a bear market, concern or even fear or even max fear, these three right here are what signal the very end, the very best entries that you can get in the crypto market. Now, the last time we got a green reading, right here was the last time, all the way to the market top was 633%. Yes, it took almost 3 years to get there. This was back in January of 2023. It is now December of 2025, nearly 3 years. But 633% is massive gains, and that's why we want our traders to be ready. If we drop into concern or fear, this is where I'd seriously consider looking for a potential entry. If we drop into max fear, this is almost certainly where I'd be making my entry in order to catch the absolute bottom of the bear market in order to maximize profits in the bull market. Now, we're going to make sure you're set up with alerts because not everyone's going to be able to catch this right off the bat. Head to the alerts tab, click create alert, switch this to the market cycle highs and lows, and I'm going to put this down to max fear. Once per bar close, click create. You're going to do that 2 more times for fear and concern. I already have those set here from yesterday's video, but I wanted to show max fear as well. If this happens, it means the price has severely oversold. It means that we need to be looking for potential entries. And if the Pro Trade Manager shows a green dot, especially as we move into max fear, this is an ideal entry opportunity. The Pro Trade Manager combines 9 indicators, including oscillators, where oscillators will start moving up back to the mid-range as we continue dropping. The Pro Trade Manager does the opposite and actually runs on divergence, so it makes the best possible entries. With that in mind, guys, you need to have these indicators loaded up on your chart so you are prepared for what happens next, because this market is not slowing down. Again, we're looking at a potential $65,000 Bitcoin, and you want to have the best indicators you can have on your charts for when that happens. For our members and everyone else, of course, but our members get the best possible prices for our Black Friday sale. You're getting $200 off each the Pro Trade Manager, the Market Cycle Highs and Lows, and the Volume Bubbles. These are our AI indicators, brand new, and they are performing even better than our original indicators, the Pro Trade Indicator Pack and the TC Top and Bottom Finder. Get massive discounts on these indicators, $250 off as a member, $400 off as a member for the TC Top and Bottom Finder. These are the indicators that earned us 314 wins with 0 losses, and these AI indicators are even more accurate. If you've purchased those original indicators, email us in at betradeconfident@gmail.com for 60% off for the largest discount possible. With that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership today for that brand new future forecast episode. Don't miss out.